Okay, hello student. So how are you today? Today we will continue our lesson about the chapter 5, the atmosphere, section 1. What is the weather? Okay, before we continue our lesson from the last week, I want to review some of the lesson that we studied already. Okay, so what is the weather? Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at a specific time and place. Weather describes the conditions such as air pressure, wind, temperature, and amount of moisture in the air. What the instrument is used to measure wind direction and speed. Okay, so for the wind vane is the instrument that used to measure about the wind direction. For the anemometer is the instrument that used to measure about the wind speed. Okay, for objective, so after you study the lesson today, you will be able to identify the difference between weather and climate, awareness of how the cloud form. Okay, because most of you is wonder about this point and confusing about the weather and climate, so today I will add more about this point to our lesson about the difference between weather and climate. Okay, so for the weather refers to the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of the time. For the weather is what the forecaster on the TV news predict each day. Weather is not same everywhere. It may be hot and sunny in one part of the world, but freezing and snowy in the other. The weather can change in just a few hours. For example, it is start raining in the morning, but bright and sunny in the afternoon, that you can see in this picture. Okay, in the morning it is raining, but in the afternoon it will change to be bright and sunny. So this condition is called weather, not climate. Okay, for the climate is the average weather of the place over a period of many years. For the weather, a short period of time, but for the climate is over the period of many years. Climate take hundreds, even millions of the years to change. Today, the climate scientists split the Earth into the approximately 5 main types of the climate. They are A. Tropical, in this hot and humid zone. B. Dry. This climate zone are so dry because the moisture is rapidly evaporated from air and there is very little precipitation. C. Temperate. In this zone, the earth typically warm and humid summer with thunderstorm and mild and winter. The continental, this region have warm to cool summer and very cool winter. In the winter, this zone can experience snowstorm, strong wind, and very cold. Okay, E. Polar. In this polar climate zone, it is extremely cool even in the summer. Okay, so this picture is show you about the climate, tropical climate, dry climate, and also the polar climate. Okay, point 3, forming cloud. So what is cloud? Cloud is a visible mass of condensed watery vapor floating in the atmosphere, typically high above the general level of the ground. Okay, this is a cloud. Okay, how does the cloud form? There are several ways that the warm moist air forms a cloud. Rays from the sun hit the ground and the air next to it. The warm air rise and cool. If the air is moist, some water vapor condense and form the cloud. As the moist air moves over the mountain, it is listed in cool. Cloud formed in this way can cover the mountain for a long period of time. When the cool air meets the warm moist air, the warm air is listed in cool. Okay, so this picture is show you about how the cloud form. Okay, so for the first is the ground, it got the heat from the sun, and called the warm, it called the air about the ground is warm, and then you know already about the warm air is less than the cooler air. Okay, because it's less than, so the warm air it will rise up to the atmosphere until the layer of the atmosphere that is high temperature, that called the warm air. Warm air, it will rise up to the atmosphere until the high temperature, that called the warm air, that contain the moisture to be formed, to be condensed. After it condensed, it will collect together, to join together, bigger and bigger, to form a cloud. So this is the process of the cloud form. Okay. Okay, so for more information, I'll attach the video under this video to be more information and to be clear about this lesson. Okay, thank you. See you next time.